I try to stick to 3 rules in this kitchen at all times. Healthy. I'd rather see you in the kitchen than in the hospital. Gourmet, because it's gourmet.
Simple, because we live in a busy world.
Time to start cooking. Welcome to this episode of Dr. Ben's Kitchen. Today we're going to do fried rice in a hurry. This is what I call a 911 meal. You have hungry mouths to feed, and for whatever reason, you didn't plan a meal. It's fast, it's easy, it's inexpensive, you can feed a family for under $10, and it's better than what you get if you order takeout. Ingredients required: chicken breast trim lean, 2 eggs, shredded carrots that you get in a bag at the supermarket, a couple stalks of celery, a few mushrooms. You can use whatever kind you like. These happen to be baby Bella mushrooms. This is a product I really like. It's low sodium soy sauce. You can use regular soy sauce, but this is great because it gives the soy sauce flavor without adding a lot of extra salt, and about 2.5 or 3 cups of whatever kind of rice you have available to you. This happens to be brown rice, but you can certainly use white rice or other types of rice as well. Now remember, we're under a lot of pressure here to produce this meal, so we're going to blow through this prep. Chop your mushrooms thinly. Under pressure. Cut our celery into small pieces, and we're going to cut our chicken. So these are thin slices, and then you can take your thin slices and cut them into cubes just like this, so they'll cook very quickly. Let's start frying some rice. So we're going to do the frying of the rice on high heat. So we want to use a mixture of canola oil, which takes the heat very well, a couple tablespoons. And I like to put a little olive oil in as well for the flavor. You want to heat your oil hot, but not to the point that it starts smoking. How do we know when the oil's hot enough? How can you be so sure? One way to know if your oil is hot enough is to do the splatter test. So we're going to go over to the sink. Wet your fingers. Come on over to the stove. Stand back. Put a little bit of water. And if the oil's splattering, which it is, careful, it's ready for the chicken. Let's saute this chicken. Keep it moving because we're on high heat. So let's get that. We'll pan sear that a little bit, or pot sear, just like this. And you know what the great thing about this dish is? You don't need a wok. People think you need a wok. You can do this in a pot. Next ingredient is the eggs. And remember, we're in a hurry, so we're not even going to scramble them. 1 and 2. Just like that. We're going to stir the egg in with the chicken. Next order of business on our agenda is the vegetables. Just toss everything in the pan. Everything goes. Don't wait, don't delay. The carrots, the mushrooms, the celery. Toss it all in. And start stirring like the Dickens. Dun dun doo doo dun dun doo doo dun dun doo doo dun dun dun. If you get liquid, just try to remove some of it with a ladle like this and put it aside, because you don't want that. It's going to take away from the crispiness of your rice. We are ready to add the rice and season this up. Into the pot goes the rice. We're going to mix this all together and then season it. We're going to do about 10 turns of pepper, and we're going to add the soy sauce. That's about 1.5 ounces, and we're going to season this to taste. Once you add the soy sauce, you may have to add a little more, so we're going to taste this to see if it's where we want it. We're going to turn our heat down, and we're going to test this. A little bit of garlic salt. Just like that, just a dusting. Because you can ruin a dish very quickly if you over salt it. Ow. Done. Time to feed the hungry mouths. Dinner for 4. Fried rice in a hurry. And there you have it. Dr. Ben's 911 chicken fried rice. And we interrupt you for this important broadcast.